YouTube, good morning. Boy, we is tired, but have you ever been to a rainforest in the middle of Puerto Rico? El Nunca? I haven't, but I am now, you feel me? Hey, it's a movie on the way, y'all. We about to go jump in a waterfall. We about to go do some aqua shit. Some shit we don't do for real, you feel me? New content on the way. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Hey, subscribe. I had 2 hours of sleep for y'all. Y'all better subscribe. Gang, where you at right now, bro?
Man, we in Yunque.
Oh,
Head to the
Yunque.
waterfall. We about to do a little tour and shit.
Yeah.
Russ probably gonna do a back from the back or something. So we gonna see. This shit about to get crazy. Though.
Yeah, it sure is. It's about to be a movie.
Listen,
Hey.
we ain't really getting into excursions, so now we really diving in our bag. We about to get crazy for y'all, man.
Yeah.
2 hours of sleep.
So let's see. You already know what's going on. Hey, everybody like, comment, subscribe. DMP TV. Y'all know what's going on. Man.
What's up, my friends? My name's Happy. I'm just now starting my own business on top of this. Happy Trails PR. That's what you're looking for. HappyTrailsPR.org. Happy Trails PR on Instagram. Happy Trails PR on Facebook.
Yes, sir.
Come get me.
Yes, sir. You know it's about to be lit.
If you go through the hike, you're gonna see muddy spots. You wanna step on a flat surface, not a sloped edge. You step on a sloped edge, you're gonna slip and fall in the mud for sure. And that leads us to rule number one. If you're the first person to do it, lay there in the mud for a second so I can get a picture. I put it on my Instagram. I got like 50 followers. I'm getting up there. I'm doing better on OnlyFans. At the end of the day, me and Lewis, we're looking for 5-star reviews. So at the end of the day, you're gonna take a minute. You're gonna give us a quick review. And during the day, to reward you for that review you're giving us, we're gonna take videos of you doing the slide, the cliff jump, and the rope swing. You leave that quick review, text us like you left it. We'll send you the videos for free. It doesn't cost you nothing but 2 minutes of your time to tell us we're awesome. That's what we want, 5 stars, 5 stars. And listen, if you're Happy's group, you can say I sucked, I don't care, just hit 5 stars first. That's all that really matters, 5 stars. You can say whatever after that. How's everyone feeling? We ready for this? Good. We got a few people in the baño and then we'll get out of here.
Okay.
It's on.
Okay.
It's on.
The sloped edges, ladies, the more flat spots you step on, the better your day's gonna be. Yeah, you're on the sloped edge, you're over there dancing. Like you're at La Placita. I know, I can smell it. This here is a flower of Puerto Rico, the La Maga. Not a hibiscus flower, but you can actually make tea out of it. And somehow the encyclopedia says this flower is also close to the cotton family. I don't know how, but that's what it says. I can read. You're impressed, right?
This nigga's silly as hell, bro. He's funny as fuck.
It's you recording him dead in his face.
Yeah, I'm just like, what do I even say to that?
I was like, wait.
Why?
It's so fucking cool. This looks like poop rocks.
So, y'all, I'm currently in a rainforest in Puerto Rico. Doing some shit I never thought I'd be doing. But hey, we here. Nice little tour guide. Nice little group we got with us too. Trying to do this and not busting your ass on mud, rocks, and water is not easy. I'm not gonna lie, but hey, we got it for a reason. Make sure everybody like, comment, subscribe. More content on the way. Ain't nobody doing this content like we on it. At all. Where bro at? Crossing a river. Did you ever think you'd be doing some shit like this?
Nah.
Hey, here we are. Cold as hell. Actually, it feels pretty good. I ain't gonna lie. This shit cool.
Worst time to drop your phone right now.
Man, terrible time to drop your phone.
Worst time to drop your phone right now. We're in the rainforest.
We're in the rainforest in PR.
Where were we just in? Where were we just at?
Were we just in Guyana?
We was just in Guyana.
Were we just in
Before
DR?
Before Guyana, we
You
was
feel
in-
me?
Yeah.
You from
We was just
Guyana?
in Georgetown for like a week. Yeah, hell yeah. We was there for, what was it, for Carnival? Or Juve?
Don't step on that big one.
I ain't gonna lie, like, the higher it goes on my leg, the colder it gets, I ain't gonna lie.
Oh yeah, it's not super warm. Buddy, oh my God, we gotta go back and laugh. Damn. Shit. Watching everybody trying to cross this is the funniest shit ever. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, no, I stepped on the rock and just slid down. I'm like, yeah, I was about to fall. No cap. Nice fire. These socks is going in the garbage. Garbage. Nah, I'm gonna just rewash them. Ush, ush. Hey man, y'all wouldn't believe it if I didn't show it. You feel me? We are going up this very,
I
very
like to move it.
steep hill.
I like to move it.
And he
You like to
just full.
move it. Yeah, fam. Let's go.
Ugh. If they didn't see it, they wouldn't believe it. That I was in this predicament. You feel me? DK is too. Hey, dog ass hike. You feel me? This is our little workout. That's it. Hard work. We made it all the way from the F down there. And then we probably got to jump down there. That's the crazy thing. So, hey, like, comment, subscribe. Y'all tripping. I'm tired. I ain't gonna lie. Stay tuned. Come on.
I can hear the dancing behind the scenes.
Bust my ass.
I'm glad I didn't catch that.
That's how you get more subscribers.
Nah, for real though. Off of y'all, bro. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man.
What they got to do, gang?
Subscribe right now.
You feel me? Subscribe. Hey, so y'all know what's going on. Hey, we in the water with it. You feel me? We at the spot. They jumping off shit. Let's see. Hold on. Yeah. We getting into all that. That's the waterfall right there.
Oh, that's the water.
Yeah. We gonna go up that, slide down, and probably be fucking with this. We still gotta hike up there. Yeah. Far?
It is?
Probably. I don't know. I'm probably not that far. But hey, either way it go, we going up there. We going down that slide. Like, comment, subscribe. That rhyme. How you feeling, bro?
That's a crazy jump.
I'll do it.
Are we doing that?
You want to?
We're not doing that, are we?
Nah.
It's not part of it.
That's not part of the tour. They just on the wild shit. Got him concerned over here. He like, man. How you feeling, gang?
It's getting active, bro.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie. I'm glad I did the excursion. Shout out to y'all for telling us to do more excursions. Make sure y'all subscribe to my boy.
Hey.
DM, if this is his channel, bro.
Y'all know what's going on.
You feel me?
Hey.
So it's about to get crazy.
It's about to get wild in
Look
here,
what we
you feel me?
doing. We got like 2 hours of sleep, bro.
And we here.
And we got up.
Waterfall, gang.
I didn't want to get up, but I got up. We went to Walmart, got him his shoes.
Hey, the Walmart Lowe's for the 20 ball got this trip going underway. You feel
You know
me?
what I'm saying? This is breathtaking, bro. This is what we live for. And this is what me personally, bro, this is what I want to do for the rest of life. What you want to do?
Hey, look. If
wanna
we can
travel.
get many excursions in different countries and places we go, we gonna do them. Just let us know what y'all want to do. That's it. But make sure y'all niggas like, comment, and subscribe. If y'all not doing that, how we gonna have a relationship? How we gonna have a family?
At this point, I feel like at this point, if you're not doing that, it's just hating. Because you watching and we telling you to do it. You gotta do it.
I
Subscribe,
asked you
man.
nicely. I could be an F nigga and and say some crazy stuff, you feel me? But no, I'm gonna be nice. Don't like, comment, subscribe. I hope y'all enjoy though.
Yeah, you know that.
All right, boom. So look, this is a reminder to self. Never do this shit again. My back has been on fire since.
DK, pull us in. Do a flip.
Oh my God! Wow!
Say that again. Tough. Green fuck nigga. Come on.
Holla at me. Holla at me. Let me see something. Let me see something. Let me see something. You got the crowd. Let me see something. Ay, you gotta run it back. Run it back. Run it. Oh. Nah, I'm weak.
YouTube. This is after the fact. We gotta make that journey down the mountain. I, in fact, am tired as hell. I can't speak for everybody else. I'm a little tired. Absolutely. But hey, we're on the road with it. We're really on the road to 100K. This is my 100K. This gonna get me there right here. Both of us, DKTV too. Everybody go type in, like, comment, subscribe. Y'all tripping if y'all not. Because the content, it get like that. You feel me? Make sure everybody like, comment, subscribe. More videos on the way. More content on the way. Tap in. YouTube. It's the last night vibes. Y'all know what we about to get into. We got another movie on the way. Hey.
We about to hit up
La Factura.
and Old San Juan, and we're gonna see the vibes of Old San Juan. Was told we have to go out there, so that's what we finna do.
Yeah. Y'all told us what we do. We're gonna get the content for y'all. Hey, make sure everybody like, comment, subscribe. We tired. We doing this for y'all. I ain't gonna lie.
Doing this for
We
y'all,
doing
bro.
this for y'all, gang.
Doing this for y'all.
We putting
man.
our bodies on the line, our life on the line. Hey, we gotta get this bread. We gotta get this content. And you ain't going to no content anywhere else except our channels. I ain't gonna lie. We do this shit every month. New country every month. Everybody tap in. DKTV. Hey, go like, comment, subscribe to my boy channel real quick.
Y'all do the same.
Hey, DMPTV. Y'all know it's gonna be right there. Where we at with it? La Ventura. All of it. Say no more. We in there then. Yeah, this is live. I got them together. Like Gucci.
Usually it's mad Christian, but today we outside.
We outside.
Today we outside.
Today we outside.
Yo, you know,
Hey, he got the OKC. He knew what was going on.
2017.
2017.
2017?
So we're from OKC.
Yeah, from OKC, okay.
2008,
Yeah.
like KD, Westbrook, Harden, we've been there.
Okay.
Done that.
So that shit been stamped.
Yeah.
We've
That's
been
what's
stamped.
up.
He
My son
stamped it.
repping. My
He
son
stamped
repping.
it.
Hell yeah.
Been
Shout out to
there,
you,
been
bro.
there, done that.
Hell yeah. Shout out to you, my guy. Shout out to you, my guy. Hell yeah. Y'all get homesick, right?
Safety.
Yeah, you too.
Homesick.
Nice meeting you. Take care.
Alright, y'all. Hey, hey, hey. Oh my God. Okay, you
Wait, listen. Pope Pius II, his remains are in that building.
Okay.
So
Right
pray
here in
for
this
us.
building?
No, I'm serious. No, in the cathedral.
Ah, okay. You
And we
pointed
should
that
be
way.
very respectful of that when we go in there.
We going in
We're
there.
going in there.
No.
I'm going to do.
I'm just saying in general, Jesus. And the thing
Catholic,
is,
right?
he should be recognized. He should be recognized.
You should be a teacher.
He should be remembered because the thing is,
My teacher can't be this
he
drunk.
did die for our sins. He's a martyr of the Catholic
Nah,
Church.
that should be lit though. The school class would be lit as shit.
I'm just saying, pray for us.
That's a fact.
Because the thing
Every
is,
day.
He's one of the. This is the second largest.
What you say?
What you say? No. You started too.
No. What you say, Shorty?
Okay, mommy. What you about to do there, baby?
Guys, I'm not trying to do shit. You're funny. Guys,
He wants to learn about papayas.
that's fine.
That's why I said I need to rewatch it so I can learn again.
Am I a papaya? That's fine.
You want to learn about
And there's people behind us.
You about to do a flip or something?
No.
You just hair tied and shit?
Nah, you feel like you finna flip or
Guys,
something.
the remains of Saint Pius are behind us.
I thought it was
Don't wanna
Pope.
play games. When he at?
Lord Jesus. I need a drink.
Oh, hell no, baby. Yeah, where is he going? You going by
She
yourself.
might
There's
try
plenty
to
of
knock
little
us
boys
off,
playing
bro.
Chronicles. Holy Crap,
Little
Saint
what? That
Pius.
sounded like some haunted shit.
Girl, that's papayas restaurant.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
That sounded like some haunted
Papaya.
shit. It's a parking lot. So what she talking about? So what remains is she talking about? What remains are you talking about?
She's about to get us in our remains while we playing, gang. We're just doing shit at this point. Oh.
Girl, what you want to do? Because I want to dance. Listen.
Saint Chris would not want us outside.
San Cristobal, you
Saint Cristobal.
Good morning, YouTube. Hey, man, we had a movie. It's been a movie. San Juan, Puerto Rico. We will be back, I ain't gonna lie. Please make sure in the comments everything we miss and everything we need to pull up and do when we come back. Hey, man, it's like, I think niggas, I slept for an hour. Flight is in an hour or two. We gotta go grab some souvenirs. Hey, man, if I get y'all, damn, I'm gonna cut this, I ain't gonna lie. But hey, I hope y'all enjoy it so far. I might get a couple video, get some souvenirs, real quick. Might get some small stuff, I ain't gonna lie. But definitely like, comment, subscribe, yo. I ain't gonna lie. We got 7 hours total of sleep on this trip in the last 3 days. This content shit don't come easy. Tap in with us, come on. Like, comment, subscribe, DNP TV. Ugh.